Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add a PayPal button on Shopify. So the first thing that you have to take note is that you have to know if the PayPal is supported to the country that you are living in. So for example, I am in the Philippines. So how would I know if PayPal is available in my store since I put in my information right here, my Shopify store that I live in the Philippines. And if PayPal is not supported in your country, then I'm also going to show you ways on how you can integrate PayPal to your Shopify store. So first, let's go ahead and open a new tab and search if PayPal is available in the country. Okay, so let's go ahead and type out right here, is PayPal supported in the Philippines? So for example, and then you will then just have to click on enter. Okay, so right here you just have to find the answer for your question. So you have here the website where you can go and check if PayPal is supported in your country. So let me just edit the words at the top. Okay, so let's add app or application. So right here, when you go ahead and click on one of this website right here, you'd be able to see the information if PayPal is available in your country. So here in the Philippines, PayPal is available. So let's close all of these tabs and now let's proceed to our Shopify store. Now to add a PayPal button in your Shopify store, first is you have to create your account, log into your account, and you'll be able to see this page right here. Now you just have to click on settings. You can see this at the bottom left corner of your screen. And then right here, you'd be able to see your store details. You have your store name, store phone, and of course, your billing information. And as you can see, I have my location right here, which is the Philippines. So now let's go ahead and click on payments. So by default, if PayPal is available or supported in your country, you would be able to see here the PayPal option for the supported payment methods. So as you can see, I have already tried to set up my account, but since I'm very busy and I'm just using this store for tutorial, so I did not really finish setting up the PayPal. But as you can see, it is supported in my country, so I just have to complete setting up this one. So for the connected account, I have my email. So when you go ahead and try to set up your PayPal, you'd be redirected to this page right here where you have to type out your email. And of course, you have to select your country or region. And then you just have to fill out all of the information needed. Okay, so right here, when we go back to the payments, be able to see here the payment providers. So if you can see PayPal right here, just have to click on it, choose providers, and then you'll be able to see a bunch of providers that you can use. And if you cannot find PayPal in this section, you just have to use the search bar at the top and then try to search for PayPal. And if PayPal is supported in your country, you'll be able to see the PayPal option where you can click on. Okay, so after that, by the way, this is a third party payment method. So if still you cannot find PayPal in this section, let's go back to the payments. And then when we scroll down, you'll be able to see here another option, so which is the payment capture method. You also have the manual payment methods. So let's try to go to the manual payment methods. So you just have to click on this icon right here, and then you can create a custom payment method, bank deposit, money order, or cash on delivery. So let's go ahead and click on the create custom payment method first. So take note that this method is good for small businesses, and if you do not get like a huge sum of order, so set it up. So just click on it. Okay, so let's try to click on the create custom payment method. And right here you have to, let's say this custom payment method name is PayPal, and then here you have to type out the additional details. So just for example, payment is done through a link or through PayPal. Now right here for the payment instructions, Just have to thoroughly type out your payment instructions, since this is a manual payment method where you have to put all of the details and information so that your buyer would be able to understand and will not have any trouble doing the payment. And after that, you just have to click on activate. However, if you have like a huge store or business, you receive lots of orders. So this method is not really practical since you'll have to send individually to each client. So here you have two options. First, you can set your location, like change the location of your store. So if I go to the store details, I can edit the location and I can change the country. Or if you're like still going create a store, you can use like a VPN to change your location. And of course, you have to make sure that the country that you're setting your business is actually supports PayPal as well, so that people can pay you through PayPal. Because if you set your store country to a country that doesn't support PayPal, then people won't be able to pay you. So let's say you live outside of this country, however, you want to set up your business in a country that doesn't support PayPal, or you're in a country that doesn't support PayPal and you want to set a store in a country that does support it, so you can use a VPN. Or if you don't want to use VPN, and you can just edit your country. So right here, let me just click on this pencil icon right here to edit. Now just click on your country or your region and then try to select the country that you want to set up. So for the other method, let's go back to the main page. Let's close the payments option. So let's click on the add apps, and then you just have to click on the Shopify app store at the bottom. So right here, you would be using a third-party application on a Shopify store. So, say for example, you really wanted to use PayPal, but it doesn't support in your country, or the application is not really supported in your country, then try to search at the top and use the search bar to search for PayPal. And then after clicking on enter, you'll see bunch of options or applications that you can use. For example, this Pay Trackster or PayPal tracking. Then you also have over there a bug fulfill and PayPal sync or Purvey PayPal something. So you just have to explore some of this application or idea that you can use for PayPal. But overall, I suggest that you just have to change your location or use a VPN so that you would be able to use the PayPal on your Shopify store. Because if you're doing international orders and your store is like accepting international orders from many countries around the world, so it is beneficial to set up your country in, of course, in your store settings to a country that does support PayPal, so that is the best method. However, if you do not want to change your country, so you just have to find the application that can support PayPal or payments, or just go ahead and send to each client like the link for the payment on PayPal. So go to the PayPal and then like the issue payment order or payment request, and then send it to the client manually, and they'll pay you the sum by PayPal, and it will be deposited to your PayPal account. So, that's basically how you can add PayPal button on your Shopify store. So, that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.